Hello guys, welcome to SellerSprite. Today we are gonna keep innovating AI tools on the SellerSprite. Recently we added one more AI tools which is for market analysis. We can analyze hundreds of products under 10 minutes, very detailed distribution among the brands, sellers, ASIN to find out how many sales go to first ASIN, another brand, and which seller got what percentage of total sales in any market. But very importantly, you can utilize our AI tools and they deep dive into to understand everything related to market. Let's go to analyze to find out how we can find everything in this market with AI. Let's go. I'm gonna run the Chrome extension to find out how is the sales among all of those listings. Then we are gonna find out the distribution. Okay, currently on the first page, there are 49 products. I want to increase them. I want to analyze more products because more data is giving to more accuracy and the more correct. Okay, let's go to check. Now we have 97 products. Okay, all those products are here. I'm gonna sort according to revenue. For example, this product is not suitable for our search result. This is also not much related. I'm gonna clean all of them which are not directly related with our category. I'm just gonna remove them. Just be sure we are gonna exactly analyze this kind of the product, not different. Exactly this kind of the product. I just want to keep this kind of the product which are baby playpens because today I'm just analyzing baby playpen category, right? Okay, now we see there are 81 the products and most of the products are like baby playpen as we wanted. Here we have analysis tool. Go to here, analyze now, and analyze now. And the report is created. Now it's ready. View it. Here we are gonna see the brief information about the category. There are 81 products, 65 brands under 60 different seller account. You can see average BSR, price, reviews, etc., etc. This is the brief information about this product and this product category. Now we can analyze market analysis. Market is increasing, sales are going up, and this is the listing concentration, brand concentration, seller concentration, etc. But very importantly, guys, you see we have AI inside here. I'm just gonna click this one. Now what we are doing, I'm just clicking this one and this understand how is the sales in 2024 May, or this is the product launched new, or this is the product launched in 2023, how it performed over the time, and what's the product FBA fee, price, variations, how it was going up and down on the different time frames. We are gonna analyze all of them with AI, and the now report has been created and they're ready to use right now. So this data consists of 10 like market overview and demand and the trends, competitive landscape, SWOT analysis, sourcing, manufacturing, etc., etc. You can see all of them from here. This is our report. If you want to send to someone else, you just click it and they send a link. So that guy doesn't need to sign into SellerSprite to analyze this data. He can just copy this link and open in the browser. Or if you want to download it as a PDF, just click it. We are going to download into your laptop and you can keep it always and analyze when you need. Let's begin with market analysis report. Market overview and scale, maturity. We analyze several facts here, like maturity. The market shows sign of maturity with the earliest publication date, dating back to 2014. Probably it's meaning the first product in this category launched January 24, 14. Publication time frame, you can see from here, significant influx in the products with 28 products launched in 2024. And you see, we are here analyzing maturity, but what we find, 28 products launched last year, 2024. And the 22 products in 2025 forecasted because maybe in the first half of the last year, 14 product launch, and the last half of the year, 14 product launch. But this year, half of the first half of the 2025, 11 product launch. Then we estimate there will be 11 additional product as well. Suggestion is dynamic and evolving market rather than stagnant one. So based of our analysis, we find out there is a market constantly adding new product. In 2024, there were 28 products. This year, 22 products. Next year, probably will be around 20 products as well. So it means market is accepting newcomer. Market is okay for new products to come in, not saturated, not close to penetrate. Next one, scale. Overall market substantial with an average monthly revenue. Average monthly revenue, when we analyze all those 81 products, we understand average revenue is 63,000. Top 10 product alone generated remarkable. Here we are, like top 10 products on this market. When we analyze top 10, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, their average revenue is 211,000. This is the pretty significant number. If you can go to top of 10, it means you are going to create a big amount of the sales and a big amount of the revenue here. So about the monthly revenue, and the total revenue is 6 million in recently. You can see from here, 2025 July. Velocity, market demonstrate high sales velocity. Average monthly sales is almost 1200. And the top 10 products average monthly sales unit is 4758. It's more than double. Top 10 products have average 4758 units of sales in 1 month, and the all of them average has almost 1200 sales per month. So this is indicating velocity is also very high. Average selling price we can see here, it's 74 for top 10 product, 43. So it means average selling price for 10 product is cheaper. Price is cheaper. This is normal fact. And besides, there are some products, obviously, majority of the products are expensive than $43. So overall, the market average is $74. Next one, we are going to the next one, demand trends. Overall trends, the data reveals that clearly upward trajectory. Upward trajectory we see from here. It started 2023 with 2.8 million or 35,000 units of the sales. Right now, sales are over 6 million. It means 2.5 times increase in terms of revenue, and the sales are over 100,000. Sales are also increased 3 times. We want to emphasize it and show you this trend. It's upward. Overall trend is totally upward. Keyword trends. We understand baby playpen and the baby playpen mat over the years, notably specific keywords, baby playpen with mat, only started registering significant search volume 2021 February. So that time, 2021 February, its search volume was 620. Right now, its search volume is 35,000. So what it means, it increased almost 70 times. 70 times search volume, main search volume increased 70 times since 4 years. Search and the purchase behavior. Data indicates search the ratio, market per category average. Therefore, no analysis can be made on the. We couldn't analyze the purchase behavior right here. Third one, competitive landscape. Concentration. The listing concentration reveals that top 10 ASIN code 47% of total market. This is not bad. Actually, this is perfect. It's similar data as search query performance. Like we can understand what the percentage of total sales go to top 3 products. From here, we understand top 10 products only get 47% of total sales. This is a perfect number. And you can analyze deeper when you go this further. Key players analysis. This is one of the biggest, and this one is big brand, dominates significant portion of the sales and the revenue. Amazon is a major direct competitor, selling 10 products and holding the largest sales proportion among other sellers. Juhoi USA and Yuan Moshe, and also substantial market shares. There is the Amazon, probably they are vendor centrals, they are getting big amount of the sales proportion. New environment performance. The market analysis table shows that products launched last 6 months. So there are 19 products, have an average monthly unit sold almost 500. So it means among those 81 products, we analyze 81 products, these products, 19 of them, almost 1 out of 4, 25% of those products are new products. And their sales are almost 500. And the monthly revenue is over 26,000. This is perfect number. From here, we can understand also this percentage. Seller from different country, like 66% from China, America 27, and some other countries also are on the market. This is also very important. Key success factor strategies insight. Social proof, this is the ratings. Like the rating distributions show that 63% of the sales volume and the 60% of the revenue come from the reviews who have at least 500 reviews. This is also a perfect number. If you are planning to launch this kind of the product, it means you have 40% market left. Those 40% market distributed to who have the reviews on the 500. Maybe you have 100, 200, 300, whatever the number you have among this here. Here is you can understand price strategies, like the price among what's the price distribution, content marketing, high quality content. You should have A plus, and the majority of the sellers have A plus. Fulfillment, this is very basic, probably FBA or Amazon. Product life cycle is also very important. There are some new products you can understand from here. Let's go to 5. Opportunity niche market. Growing keyword niche. So since 2017, there are some keywords like 35,000 search volume, and then now they are increasing. Value-oriented playpens. So distributions show that 2040 range capture the largest sales volume. Probably there are some basic products. They are not maybe not only 2040 price range. They are maybe price is 39.9, but the software understand it's like between 20 to 40 price range, and they got a big sales volume. Premium feature, okay, we understand there's big amount of the sales from here, especially for revenue. Their sales are not that big, but revenue is bigger. Why? Because their price is higher, like $74. You can understand from their distribution. Focus on specific product and the size. 47, 47, 74, 50, 50, foldable, portable, and the apartment identifying segment of. So it means there are these kind of the sizes, and also there are some special features like foldable, portable, and the apartment. These kind of the products are more in the market and recognizable. Maybe you can add something a little different, and you can maybe develop bigger size with portable or foldable function. Also bundling here we mentioned. Risk and the challenges. Here is the opportunity. Now we are talking about the risk and the challenges. Intense competition, especially there is a price competition. I know this market. High barrier social proof. It means the top sellers over 23, a new seller will need a both strategy quickly accumulate high volume of positive reviews. It means you need to increase your reviews quickly. One of the reason is product price is expensive, and also it's baby product. Majority of the parents prefer to buying high price product with higher reviews. Price sensitivity, this we talked. Amazon direct competition, this is also drawback, and as a risk, there are some vendor central. We highlight it as a risk. High content stand, the plus content, this is easy, don't need it. SWOT analysis, large and the growing market scale with a high monthly revenue and the unit sales. Strong and the indicating demand of the specific baby playpen with mat. You can understand strength from here. Next is weaknesses. High market concentration among a few top brands and the listings. So there are some brands dominating the market. Significant presence of Amazon as a direct seller. Maybe you understand in several times we highlighted Amazon as a threat or competition or drawback or risk. So if there is Amazon, it's not that good market. Okay, opportunities. Leverage the growing search trend. So some keywords have growing trend. We are gonna leverage them. Differentiated through innovative product. And this is also very obvious. Capitalize the market receptiveness, new products as evidenced by recent launch success. So analyze some new products, they launched recently, and their sales are very good, and their trend is also very good. To find out what they are and analyze and they iterate them. Threats, intense competition from the established. We again highlight several times competition, price decreasing. This is one of the biggest problem on the Amazon price problem. And they need to substantial investment. Product is kind of expensive. We need to constantly send the product and invest the money. 9, sourcing and manufacturing condition. Based on the origin of the seller, Chinese is a predominant source product is category according to 65%. It strongly suggests that Sourcing from China manufacturer is the most common and the likely cost-effective approach. This is obvious. Sellers should explain established manufacturing hubs. You can understand and find out there are some CPCAI, ASTM, EPA free, this certificate. You need to find out, and the product is mainly sourced from China. Market entry recommendation. Product differentiation we analyze here. Quality and safety first here. Competitive pricing strategies. Probably some products, especially some sellers, selling expensive product with cheaper price. Maybe normal their target price. Just let me go here. Maybe this guy target price is, let's find another one. Maybe their target price is like $60, but they are doing a constant deal or decreasing the price, or some method they are using. Right now their price is cheaper, but actually their target price is high. Some people selling a cheaper price, but actually they accumulate the review. Later they are gonna increase the price. Robust review strategy, at least 100 to 4.5 star reviews. Professional listing content, it's easy. FBA is easy, should be probably FBA. And the bundling, we need to add some you see this is the mat, this is playpen selling together, and there are some additional this kind of hanger, or some guys putting some bowls and educational stuff. This guy puts some more stuff, etc., etc. Need to bundle. Finally, we are coming to conclusion. The baby playpen with mat market on Amazon is large, dynamic, growing, presenting significant revenue opportunity. However, it's not the easy market to enter due to high competition, strong brand, and seller concentration, etc., etc. You can see from here everything. So, guys, this is the brilliant recommendation from the AI. Find out everything from SellerSprite by using our market analysis AI tool. Thank you for watching.